There is a beautiful scripture, its name is Devi Mahatmya. It is also known as Chandi or Durga Saptashati. In English, if the name Glory to the Divine Mother, it is consisting of 700 mantras. Once a king was kicked out of his kingdom because of his unfaithful ministers and other royal employees. He, riding on a horse, went to the forest just to save his life. Although he was kicked out of the kingdom, he was betrayed, still his mind is going, I had so much of money, what would be happening to it? I had so many beautiful elephants, what would be happening to it? I had such beautiful palace, what would be happening to it? He's just thinking. While thinking of this, he entered into a hermitage and he's walking here and there. You know, when you are in this type of state, disaster in your life, all dreams are gone. Just not able to stay at one place, just walking here and there, looking here and there, mind is pondering. At that time, another businessman came. So this king, his name is Suratha. He's asking the businessman, his name is Samadhi. Who are you? From where do you come? You look to be unmindful also. What is happening to you? So he said, Samadhi nama Vaishyoham Utpanna Dhaninakule. My name is Samadhi. I am a businessman. I was raised in a very rich family. I had successful business. My wife, my sons betrayed me. Here you see, one is betrayed by his ministers and others, one is betrayed by his own family members. So, in one way, both have the same state. So, they developed friendship. People with same problem, people with same state have good friendship. So, they had friendship. Okay, let us go. I have also same problem. Let us go to the Rishi. And went to the Rishi, and the Rishi, they bowed down. The Rishi said, sit down. What is the problem? He said, look, we have knowledge. But still then we are worried. Why? The king is asking, the businessman is sitting there, and the king is asking on behalf of the two, we both have knowledge, but still we are worried. Why? The Rishi said, who told you have knowledge, others don't have knowledge, everybody has knowledge. Why are you proud of knowledge? The knowledge which you are thinking you have, the same knowledge, a tiger, a bird, they also have that knowledge. Jnanam asti samastasya jantoh vishaya gocharaha. All animals, even the birds, they have this knowledge. Which knowledge? Vishaya gochara jnana. Go means sense organs, chara means moving, Vishaya means objects. Vishaya gochara jnana, everybody has sensory knowledge. Yes or no, you have? You have seen many things, you have heard many things, you have smelt many things, you have tasted many things, you have touched many things. You have knowledge, even the birds and animals. Why you have ego? And in the beginning, the Rishi was hammering on the ego of the king as well as the businessman. Which knowledge do you have? Is that knowledge? To have this knowledge of the world, knowledge of my family, knowledge of, is this knowledge?